Hi everyone. Today I'm about to show you the safe extraction. So safe, it's solvent-assisted flavor evaporation technique. It's a very gentle and efficient extraction method which are mainly used in odor active volatile compounds extraction. Safe is very gentle and it's used especially for the very highly odorous odor active compound. The process involves distillation under high vacuum condition at comparatively low temperature, which allows for the selective removal of volatile compounds while preserving the integrity of aroma compounds. This method is used in various fields like food chemistry, environmental analysis, and other fields, which requires volatile aroma compounds characterizations. So you can see the different pictures here. The first step for this method is to prepare a compound solvent extraction. So you can use various solvents according to your sample requirement and the sample type. So you can either get into the powder form or make it the in a powder form, but you should take in account that you should not lose the volatile compound. So you can see here I have a fish and feed sample. So I'm crossing it in the pestle and mortar using the liquid nitrogen. I also had the wood sample where I used wood and cross it, mix it in a very small, and just diluted in the solvent of 150 milliliter and stirred it for 1.5 hours in 500 to 1000 rate per minute. So it depends on your sample. So the first thing is to get the extraction of your sample with the solvent, then filter your solvent, get a clear clear solvent, then dehydrate or take water out from them. So it can be, you can use the sodium sulfite salt, which will absorb the water from your clear solvent. So you need that before you start the airtight and something we just need dark, not the white. So we do it, and there was some stuff where the sample would be goes here first and it gets evaporated. So let's make it tight, otherwise. And Christian was selling me like it's 800 euro or something, this glass stuff, so it's pretty expensive, but it was telling me. So now we are fine. I'm just hitting this stuff, and so always blue thing, it's the regulator for the sample inlet. This is the water inlet. That's fine. So I'll just keep it something here. So we use only the deionized water.
We have to get the
here. And what I suggest is also let's finish here because we need to constantly fill this big one and also this will be in both. So let's dip it at least till the
stir is starting.
yeah. So let's it will stir. So we are in good position. Okay, so we need a little more. Yeah. So we need to dip it here. So before dipping, I would just want to open it. Sometimes I forget this thing.
What's that?
So that's our on button.
Okay.
So it's initializing. Thank you. To be safe, right? If it explodes. So it will take some time. Just switch on this. And we have made it for the 50 degrees centigrade, so it depends on the sample. So after it will boil, it will boil all the system here because here are many evaporators. So these are the first one, vacuum evaporator, and this one is a smaller evaporator as well. So it's the same sample, so basically I don't need to clean it because it's the same sample otherwise. So here you could see that's opening. You clean with the solvent you use, maybe this here. So here you could use it and clean it, but for me I don't need to clean it because it's my previous sample. So now here, so that's a water, so it can be different in many situations, but we need the water. For distillation we need a cold trap. So here it will help the sample to go like into the vapor, but we need the water. So here we can just open the water flow. So let's take the flow. So I think this is fine. You saw that?
Yes.
So this should be the case, okay? So the water should flow, and now it will start evaporating. Now we open it. And this is our sample. So I just do it like this, and I close it. I need a small clip. Is it there? The yellow one? Let's try with this yellow. I think it's fine. I think this is fine. Yeah. So now we dip it. So water hits the stuff. water has covered it, so it's better to insulate the covering so the heat will be here, so you can get it faster. So there are the boiling tips, the stones, so it will make the heat faster. So now the DCM will be collected here and the concentrate will be there. So DCM should be collected here. Now it's closed. After you are done, we need to take the waste and throw in the waste bin. Yeah, that's it. Space. I also don't have a lot of spaces. So this one, I put the Newcastle. It's a cleaner. I can show you the word. This is the Newcastle alkaline cleaner. So every time you do the safe, after you are done with the safe, please put the Newcastle in the bottle and close it. And here you just put the water. This water should go there and keep it overnight or few hours. It depends on the sample, how much your sample is dirty. So now I already did keep it for one night. So what I do is now I will open it. You saw it? Now I'll just keep it for like 5 minutes and like 2 minutes this, and I'll keep it in the distilled water. This one is the distilled water. So after the Newcastle would go away, I'll clean with this one and throw it for 10 minutes. So after this, it's nice, and we can just keep it in the oven after that. Let's wait for 3-4 minutes, 5 minutes. After your safe extraction, you can use the safe extract for the gas chromatography analysis. So you can use the chromatography machine like the pictures which I have shown here. You can also do the aroma extract dilution analysis for finding the flavor dilution or the odorant capacity. So there are different methods to find out. So thank you for listening and thank you for watching the video. The similar videos will come again. Please subscribe.